Well guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been about 2 months since I uploaded last time, and it's just been nuts because, you know, between the rain, weather, freaking freezing cold right now, there's really nothing for me to work on, and I just have work. By the time I get home from work, it's dark out, and I working in darkness, losing tools, your hands freezing, hitting things, does not go well. And I think any of us who work on things outside in the cold, you understand what I'm saying. So there was really no motivation to really go out here, freezing my ass off, putting this thing together in snow, rain, freaking 7 o'clock at night, trying to get, you know, summertime. Hell, I go freaking all the way to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And you know, warmth at nighttime, I hate working at night because you lose tools and stuff like that, but I can deal with it when it's warm out, because I'm not like, oh god, I gotta get inside, because I'm freaking, my hands are freaking ice cold, my toes are ice cold, my, you know, things like that. So I think we can understand that. One thing I want to just let you guys know is the channel has changed its name to just my name, Sean Shinaki. No longer 513, and for the reason of that is I just have no personal connection to it. It's, you know, I made that channel name back maybe 8 years ago. I was still in high school, so maybe like 8 years ago I made it because I was like, oh, you know what, vibrations, excitement, vibrant. All right, so I thought I made up a word, but I never made up a word. But ended up being vibrant performance too, actually, which is kind of funny. But so yeah, lately it's been confusing. If you guys are on my Instagram and, you know, seeing the post, I was asking you guys, see, like, you know, what do you guys think about this name or this name? Maverick Garage, Turbo Maverick, even Vibrant Garage, but I didn't really want to use that. So I was gonna do Maverick Garage, and that's what it was gonna be. I even made my merch line. I was making a t-shirts to sell soon. And I was putting Maverick Garage on the front because I was like, oh, that's gonna be it. But then, you know, I haven't been making much auto content. I can't make that much automotive content, and I don't want to make a name. So, like, honestly, I don't know what the future of this channel is going to be. I want to do mostly automotive, but I think I do want to be a little bit more, you know, go outside of parameters. You know, even, you know, airplanes, you know, freaking jet skiing, you know, exploring, you know, going out doing random things. Like, no, like, there's going to be mainly an automotive channel, but I do want to include some extra things. And as of right now, for me to make content for you guys on a regular basis, this needs to be like a vlog channel. It's like this, and hopefully give you some entertaining stuff. Is we're gonna start doing vlogs a little bit, because I do want to start posting. I do want to make this a full-time thing. I can try, hopefully make work. I want to be posting more probably vlog style right now, because automotive content is going to pick up right now, because you got Danger Ranger in about almost a month and a half. We gotta get this thing hopefully running in a month and a half, which most likely not going to. I'm gonna be honest, 100% this time, but we're gonna try, because it'd be awesome to drive this thing down to the Danger Ranger. Another thing we're going to be doing today is getting that car worked on, getting that thing all set up for my mom so she can have a car back again. What else? Yeah, that's really it. So another thing I'm working on t-shirts. I want to have a promotion going on for the next t-shirt, hopefully to come out in the next couple days, hopefully, from when this video comes out. Hey, you too. All right, I gotta get them in a second, but all right, so I'm back. So as the same, we're gonna start working on this car. We gotta get the hood off, get a little tool set up, and then we're hopefully gonna have a nice, easy, little nippy fingers working on this car today. All right, so first thing we're doing here, we're gonna get our brand new Milwaukee tool here and try to get this bolt off, because I took this off. We gotta retime it. I didn't move this, so I don't think we need to lock the edge at the top dead center, because I only moved this, not this. These cranks on Mazdas, I don't know all Mazdas, but this Mazda particularly, you do not have like a set groove for this thing to go on. It needs to go on a certain way, and if not, it will not be timed right. So we gotta take this off. You guys will see in a second anyways. Oh, Milwaukee for the win. So as you see, it just comes right off. There's no locks, there's nothing there. It's just literally this. It's not good. So, oh, I should probably really change the seal, but I don't feel like changing that seal. Well, if we have to, we will. But for right now, let me slide this back on. All right, so what we gotta do, see that little hole right there? That hole needs to line up with that hole there. I need to get, supposed to use a bolt. Now I don't know if I have a bolt for that, but I'm gonna go see downstairs if I do a bolt, because if I do, then perfect. We can actually line this the right way. But if not, then we're gonna have to get something else just to try it out. All right, actually, I found a bolt here that somewhat works, at least locks into place a little bit. So this is from actually the valve cover up there from the old engine. So I'm gonna try to get this bolt locked in now. I don't know how much, I know usually stuff's like a lot of torque. So we're gonna have to. All right, so only one other issue we're having is this. Oh, I gotta turn on my music. So this gear here, or not gear, pulley, goes on the engine right. Okay, goes right there. Now the only issue I'm having is this bolt looks too long for it. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or just, you know, this engine is a new engine. The original engine's over there with a bad head and a bad, possibly needs to be decked and stuff, so we didn't do it. I was gonna rebuild it, but you know, machine shop costs, stuff like that, I gotta break down the engine, get new stuff, gaskets. It would have cost the same amount just to get this engine. So, hey, my light's over here. It should be over here. There we go. But so now I gotta go put this down. The way this goes, this little big beveled edge here goes onto here, front and back. Doesn't matter, but that creates like a little gap between the engine and the pulley, and that's what this rides on. And then this goes like that through there, and then there you go, that goes in there. Problem is, this looks way too big. This bolt looks way too big for what I'm trying to go into. All right, guys, so I got that pulley on there. I just had to like kind of force a bolt in. It was going in right. It was just, I guess, something in the threads or something. I got a tensioner on. We gotta get the alternator on, but first we got the alternator. We gotta get the exhaust on. I just got to what do you call it? What I gotta do? What did I have to do? Oh, so what I had to do is actually I gotta pop this little gasket off right here and throw on the new one right here. So you see right here, thickness, 2 different total thicknesses even on the front end. It's just 2 different thicknesses here. So I put it on, it was like so loose. I was like, why it's so loose? And that would make sense. So got this on here. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to show you because it's just, you know, trying to set up a camera. Actually, I may be able to show you guys this part, so I'll probably set it up a little bit. Oh shoot, I didn't put the one piece on, damn it. All right, got this all cleaned up. Now just gonna get this down here. All right, so I don't know, this is the next day. I don't know what I got done exactly, like at least what I showed you guys. I don't know, all the belt stuff I believe is all tightened up and all ready to go. I need somebody here to come help me, with my father probably, just to you know, get that tightened up. We still gotta do that, but like I said, I'm gonna try to use the belt system to help hold that in place so I can tighten that properly, or you know, just get the right bolt maybe to hold that in place. But what's my dog doing? What are you doing, Waddies? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Okay, you do what you do. You do what you do, girl. But so I guess right now what we're gonna probably focus on doing is just getting all this lower stuff done, because all this lower stuff needs to get done before I put the starter in. And then I put the starter in. I think at that point we literally just put the intake on. So that's really, I think that's really it. And after that, hook up all the little BS stuff over here, and we're done. We're done with this thing. This thing can get out of here. It can start up. Hopefully it just starts right up. Hopefully I have no issues with that thing down there. So that'd be one thing. But yeah, so let's get to work. Hopefully we can get this thing finished up. I'm gonna be going to the gym again today, which I may try to record it. Yesterday the GoPro died and I forgot to put on the charger, and that's why I'm just putting today's video together, because I don't know, just doing it because I wanted to record, go to the gym a little bit and go and get the stuff from Target and stuff, but never did that. So yeah, so continue on and hopefully maybe get this done today, maybe, and maybe you can even go work on Mr. Peter over there and his engine that's on the trailer right over there. Hey Shads, what are you up doing, girl, huh? put all the tools right here right now. I know no storage or anything for anything. But what are you doing, girl? This is Shadow Wad. I'm sure you all know, but for those of you who don't, this is Shadow Weirdo. She's the Wuskies. She's a little helper, right? You're a little helper. Oh, you just got the. I don't care. Your nose is running. There you go. There you go. I'm leaving. My mind's over there in the cage. He likes to hang out in his cage. She just likes to be in front of the action, right, girl? You like to be in front of the action. Here you go, girl. Yeah, I love you. Love you, girl. But yeah, so other than that, listen, probably the rest of the we're getting these filled up Friday when I go do the business work, which maybe I'll bring you guys along that day. That's really it for today. I'm going to the gym and just going out to eat with my girlfriend. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna record any of that. I'm probably just gonna go there real quick, not worry about it, just zoop through that, and then go have dinner, and then yeah, that's really it for tonight. And then tomorrow maybe we'll do something fun. I don't know. I have an idea. Maybe we can do it with my girlfriend, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to support. And listen, don't forget, do what it takes to follow your dreams. Don't let it get in your way. I'll see you guys in the next one.